Hi there, my beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Belis Kosana for those of you who don't know me. And you know what, you guys? This is a second episode of our thrift flips. So, without wasting time, today we are flipping this pillowcase into what? Into a tote bag. Call out your teenagers, you guys. Call out every girly girl to come watch this series. I know you know who can watch this. I know, right? But then today we are going to flip this and we are gonna turn it into a tote bag. Comment down below if you want me to flip something or if you want me to turn something into something. If you want me to turn a blazer into a skirt or a blazer into a smaller blazer, hit me up, let me know. You know what? Let's get right into the business of today. First things first, we are just going to cut our fabric into the size that we want our tote bag to be. Okay, these are the pieces that we have right now. This is gonna be the big part of our bag, and then these ones are gonna be strips. Let's get into sewing. We are done stitching this side, and it has stitched so beautifully. And then we are gonna go ahead and do our strips. This is our strips, and then we are gonna go ahead and do them. Okay, you guys, now we are done with the strips. As you've seen, we have turned them this side, or I have turned them this side. I'm so used to saying we because I belong to a team. I'm a corporate girl. Yeah. So our tote bag is looking good, is looking like this so far, and then we are just gonna fold it here. Let me turn it like this, and then we are just going to kind of like fold it here so that it can have more clean look, and then we are gonna place the strips right here. You can't tell me nothing. What? You can't tell me nothing. From now on, call me Creative Betty. Okay, so my current reed fits in here. I have Hercules castor oil. I'm sure my phone will also fit in this bag. And then you know what, guys? If you meet me, ask me, when did you buy that bag? I'm gonna say it proudly so. I made this bag. It is joining that bag there, and this one is special. It is made by me. Listen, it doesn't get any better. It doesn't get any better. So yeah, you guys, that's why I'm saying encourage your teenagers, especially the girlies, to come and watch my YouTube channel. I am going to put a clip here. I'm going to hand stitch it though, and yeah, you guys, there you go. You have a tote bag from what? From a pillowcase. Bye.